Hello, Miss Poppy. How are you today? I hope you are in the good health and have a nice day today. Welcome back again with our agency, Bros Agency. Thank you for the opportunity that you give to our agency today to make digital campaign Ramadan for WRP Active Kokos Place. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce my team. The first one is Wulan Maulida, Indra Pratama, Aldi Auliawan, Sofi Sakinah, dan Sri Utami Dewi. Okay, next please. Before we go to our idea, the first one, we should know the data for the brand. The first data is the growth of brand isotonic drink. In Indonesia, we know so many isotonic brand drink. And isotonic drink grow until 6.24% since 2016. And we know Pocari Sweat is as market leader until 2020. Next. Why we need isotonic drink during Ramadan? Since the pandemic COVID-19 and Ramadan, our body needs vitamins and nutrition to replace the energy that we use in daily activity. It can be obtained from isotonic drink. Isotonic drink consists of 12% to 16% carbohydrate, water, 19 grams of sugar, 200 milligram of sodium, and 80 calories per 2015 milli. So they can replace electrolytes quickly. Next. Okay. Today, the brand is WRP Active Kokos Place. What is the WRP Active Kokos Place? WRP Active Kokos Place is contents of coconut water and vitamin C and antioxidant, which is can help to moisturize the skin and also contain L-carnitine as fat burner to increase the fat into the energy. And also, this drink can replace body ions, detoxify, rejuvenate the skin, and help from collagen as protein, building block for body tissue. This drink also can consume anytime and anywhere. Next. What is the benefit of WRP? The first one, WRP is contents of vitamin C and antioxidant to help moisturize the skin. The second one, contents of L-carnitine as fat burner. And the last one, WRP Active Kokos Place also can replace body ions, detoxify, and rejuvenate the skin. Before we go to our idea, we should know the insight of the problem. The insight of the problem consists of byproduct, competitor, and customer. The first one, I will explain by product. WRP Active Kokos Place is new isotonic drink, and there is still minimal public awareness. The second, the taste of the WRP is not too sweet, and the product is only have one size. By the competitor, they are already various kind of isotonic branding. are the famous on the public and high enough in market share. By the customer didn't know this product, and most of customer thinks WRP is only slimming milk. Next. For the insight of the opportunity by product, WRP is content of L-carnitine as fat burner, and only WRP contains this material, and also WRP contains of vitamin C and antioxidant to help moisturize skin. By competitor, the product is the one and only contents of L-carnitine as fat burner, and this product not only focus for the immunity and health, but this product is focused to healthy skin and fat burner too. By the customer, we know Indonesia has a lot of women in productive age, so it can be the target market, and the target market will be large. Next. Okay, the next slide will be explained by Sophie.
Okay, thank you, Dewi. In the next slide, we'll be explain about the objective. Based on the data, we all know that WRP active is not popular as isotonic thing. So the objective of the campaign is to increase the awareness target audience and increase the sales of the product, obviously. And then we have two kind of objective for the campaign. There is marketing objective with the purpose that considering to buy or purchasing the brand. And also the second one are communication objective, which is brand as drink or beverage in Ramadan season. Next. And then for the campaign Togetherness by WRP Focus Plus, we make the Ramadan to be active with the tagline Be Worth and More Active. And then our big idea inspired by women at Ramadan moment. Every woman still working on office, but they should be prepared the meal for the fasting. And then the purpose of this campaign is to remind the woman should be pay more attention with their body in the middle of their activity. Meanwhile, the government rules so we have to stay at home in this Eid Mubarak because the pandemic. And then this campaign will be explained about the how we spend the virtual Eid Mubarak with WRP Kokos Plus, which is we want for the attractive campaign that which is we want to make challenge share togetherness in Ramadan season with call to action there to be active. That means women still can be active and keep healthy in the middle of their activity. Next. And then who is our target audience? The target audience are millennial women, which is 24 to 35 years old. And then for the psychography, we choose the active woman, multitasker, and need more isotonic drink for the energy with any benefit. And then for the household income are middle class to upper. And then for the occupation are workaholic. And then for the location are national. Next. This is the mood board for the campaign. The mood board for the campaign are about Ramadan and Eid Mubarak season with every active woman because during the fasting, women record to be more active and also work. And then don't forget about the virtual moment togetherness, which is video call moment the love with the loved ones. Next. And then this is about the mind mapping for the digital campaign. Digital campaign that we make are Ramadan to be active with WRP Kokos Plus. And then for the segmenting hashtag for the campaign is the first one are share togetherness, and then the second one are splash your Ramadan, and then the third one are WRP tips, and then the last one are challenge time. And then for the symbolic for this campaign are Ramadan season, because we want to share more about the virtual moment togetherness in Ramadan season. And also the product user are every active woman. Next. And then this is tone and manner that we use. The color palette are soft green. There are soft green with the coat, and then green, and also red and white. And then for the font, we use the tahu-tahuan and then Metomi. Next. Nah, this is the media placement that we use. There are 3 media placement, which is own media, and then paid media, and earned media. For the own media, we use the microsite, and then social media consists of Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, and then email marketing. For the paid media, we use the social media ads and also paid influencer. And for the earned media, we choose the influencer and also social media. And last but not least are YouTube. Next. Okay, maybe that's enough for me. The next slide will be explained by Aldi. So please welcome Aldi.
Thank you, Sophie. And this is social media content plan from Pet Media influencer, which is Tantri Namira with 481K follower on Instagram. Tantri are active women and also are as a wife countries with for our digital campaign because she have healthy lifestyle. Tantri always pay more attention about the body shape and consume any isotonic drink include the airbag or splash. Social media content plan from Pet Media, social media ads. The platform social media ads that we use are Instagram ads and YouTube ads. For the example is Mohawk and for Instagram with the model. Instagram and YouTube ads are relevant for WRP Hospice digital campaign in Ramadan season. Social media content plan earn media to build share engagement from audience. We create challenge to share active moment with BRP Hospice. This is sample of earn media share sport activity at fit and review drink BRP Hospice at Instagram story from followers. And social media content plan from own media. The first is attention campaign. The content will be more explained about the digital campaign. Hashtag Ramadan to be active. Also to increase the awareness about campaign. Number 2 is educational. The content will be explained and educate about what are where Pekos content and also the benefit of where Pekos for every woman. Number 3 is product information. The purpose of the content are to persuade the target audience to be active during the testing with any tips and tricks from content. The last is entertainment. The content that persuade target audience to do the togetherness challenge with the RPG Place, which is share the virtual moment in Ramadan season. In the lab, this is sample from attention campaign visual, and in the right is description. And this is in the right is caption, and in the left is visual. This is a content sample from attention campaign. In the left is visual, and in the right is caption. Content sample from educational. This is WRP Place and description. Sample content from educational. This is a visual and this is a caption. content sample from educational. And next slide will be explained by Indra.
Okay, thank you, Aldi. I will explain the next content. It is the sample content for information product. We take the hashtag tips Ramadan ala WRP. Why do we take the hashtag? Because we will share some tips and tricks for the audience to be active in month of Ramadan with WRP. For the first tips and trick content, we share tips on how to stay active even when fasting so that our target audience is not easy bored and it's always active during the month of Ramadan. Next. Next. For the next content with tips and tricks about how to build a moment of togetherness during holiday, even though of the government is not allowed to go home. Next. For the next content, we take tips and tricks and about what things are fun that should be taught when it at home. Apart of tips and tricks, there is also entertainment content in the form of fun games for the audience. The term for entertainment content, games, and challenge has the hashtag seru bareng WRP Kokos Plus. The first week after we increase awareness in terms of being active togetherness, we face challenge content to attract engagement. Challenge first about sharing active moment at the beginning of Ramadan. At the beginning of Ramadan, what do you with share photo and story on feed? The story is when this caption, then the WRP tag is active. Next. Games, play quiz get and special at the end of April. The game is to quiz the nutrition in WRP active. Next. Second challenge for this holiday, because it's not be record, try to share your digital moment of togetherness. Next. Okay, for our calendar plan starting from April 30 to May 30, we have 4 content, namely first attention campaign. The content will be more explained about the digital campaign, Ramadan to be active, also to increase the awareness about campaign. And second, education, the content will be explain the education about what are WRP Kokos Plus content and also the benefit of WRP Kokos Plus for every woman. Next. Next, product information. Purpose of the content are to persuade the target audience to be active during the fasting with any teams and trick for content. And the last content, entertainment. The content to persuade target audience to do the togetherness challenge with WRP Kokos Plus, which is share their virtual moment in Ramadan season. Enough for me, will be explained by Wulan. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Indra. I will continue to explanation our idea to complete our plan for WRP Kokos Plus. We also create audio visual concept special Ramadan. Next. And this is the storyline. The storyline tell about Ramadan moment that women, especially mom, always prepare meals for sahur and iftar, eating together with family. And then moment before Eid, everyone feels so excited. And because pandemic of COVID-19, we can hold open house with big family or back to village, but togetherness still felt by video call. And during Ramadan, women more be active, so they need more energy too. It will be get by drink Coco Splash your Ramadan. Next. Okay, and this is the storyboard for TVC 30-second duration, we divide it into 8 scenes, complete with sketsa scene per scene, description, VO, and music. Next. And this is second slide for TVC 30 second. Next. Okay, this is the video result of our storyline and storyboard. We take the scene by the footage, which will be our sample and references for our concept audiovisual. Ali, please, can you play this video?
Nyiapin makanan sahur dan berbuka untuk keluarga sudah menjadi kewajiban seorang perempuan selama Ramadan. Meskipun di rumah aja, momen Ramadan tahun ini tetap terasa kebersamaannya bareng orang-orang terkasih dan tersayang. Ion tubuhmu selama Ramadan dengan WRP Coco Splash. Splash your Ramadan.
Okay, that's it, our sample for audiovisual. Next. And before we close this presentation, we want to show you about our achievement that we got in April 2021. We want to pitch presentation from two brands. The first one is marketing strategy of Marie Claire, and the second one is the photo shoot plan of Hijab Bengla. And we also got the best perform of press conference of Invest. And based on our achievement that we got in April, can be concluded that we do the project optimally. So don't worry to choosing us to join your project. Okay, next. And that's all from our agency for the speaking deck of WRP Active Coco Splash Ramadan to be Active campaign. Hope you enjoy and like it, and choose our plan and strategy for your brand. And for more information, you can contact by email, WhatsApp, or Instagram. Thank you and good morning.